The F-22 just became something China has no answer for. Lockheed Martin made it official at the 2026 Warfare Symposium, an $11 billion upgrade adding stealth-compatible fuel tanks and infrared search and track pods, extending the F-22's combat radius by 850 nautical miles without sacrificing stealth. China spent 15 years building a strategy around the old F-22. That strategy is now obsolete. Welcome to Modern Arsenal. We cover the real stories behind America's most advanced military technology. Now let us get into it. 2 upgrades. The first, the LDTP tanks. Stealth-shaped external fuel tanks that add 850 nautical miles of combat range while keeping the radar signature as low as engineering allows. Every previous external tank had to be jettisoned before combat. The moment the fight started, the range was gone. Pilots had one choice: range or stealth. Never both. The old tanks were like strapping a cardboard box to the roof of your car. Fine on the highway. The moment you needed to push the car hard, the box had to go. These new tanks are shaped into the aircraft's aerodynamic profile. The jet does not know it is carrying extra fuel, and neither does enemy radar. The second, the IRST pods, infrared search and track sensors mounted beneath the wing. The IRST system significantly improves the F-22's ability to detect aircraft through heat signatures rather than radar emissions, making it particularly valuable against stealth targets. Passive detection methods allow pilots to locate targets without revealing their own position. The IRST finds that heat signature from distance without emitting a single radar pulse, like tracking someone in a dark room not by shining a flashlight, but by feeling the warmth they give off just by being there. The J-20 pilot never sees a beam because there is no beam. There is nothing to warn him, nothing to detect, nothing to react to. Now put both together. An F-22 flying 850 miles deeper into Pacific airspace than it could reach before, hunting stealth targets passively by heat, carrying a drone wingman ahead of it, absorbing first contact risk. But the most important upgrade is not the tanks or the sensor. It is what the F-22 just became as a platform. And that part happened at Edwards Air Force Base on the same week Lockheed unveiled the model and received almost no coverage. February 23, 2026. A human-piloted F-22 issued real-time commands to a MQ-20 Avenger drone via advanced autonomy software and a tactical data link. The Avenger responded by executing waypoint navigation, combat air patrol patterns, and simulated engagement of airborne threats, functioning as a direct force extender for the manned platform. Think about what that pilot just became. He is not flying a fighter. He is commanding a mission. 800 miles into Pacific airspace that was out of reach a year ago. The F-22 is now the quarterback of an entire aerial team, and the adversary has to account for all of it simultaneously. The range, the passive sensor, the drone, and a missile that shoots first from farther away than anything China can answer with. The F-22 is expected to be the first fighter jet to receive collaborative combat aircraft, with the Air Force planning to have them operational by the end of the decade. That means this is not the finished picture. It is the beginning of one. The F-22 was already the best fighter ever built. America just made sure China will never know how much better it got. And those two things under the wings are already heading to the squadrons. If this video opened your eyes to what American air power is becoming, hit that like button and subscribe to Modern Arsenal. We cover the technology keeping America ahead. We will see you in the next one.